Overengineering is the tendency to add to number of functions that a model can do. It can be fatal in safety-related context if not treated promptly. But there is a remedy. In our model-based projects, we use the MCDC structural coverage metric for unit tests to spot such overengineering patterns. It stands for Modified Condition Decision Coverage. It demonstrates if each condition of a logical expression affects the decision outcome independently. In this model with logical gates and a switch block, we have 3 Boolean inputs and an integer output. For full MCDC, we need to stimulate each of the inputs independently in such a way that it affects the output. We can generate the first test case. The test sequence initializes all 3 inputs to false, which sets the output to -1. You can see it well in a debug mode. Let's hold input A and input B to false and set input C to true. Output Y will remain -1. Let's set input B to true. This will set output Y to 1 and will demonstrate how input B independently affects the output. Let's now demonstrate how input C independently affects output Y. We can do this by setting input C to false. This will set output Y to -1. The only remaining step is to demonstrate how input A independently affects output Y. To do this, let's set input A to true and input B to false. This will set output Y to 1. When combined with previous steps, this demonstrates how input A independently affects the output. With the MCDC analysis on the model level, you can spot the overengineering tendency, improve the requirements, and the functionality.
Are you interested? We offer free trials, evaluation assistance, and consulting.